Hey everybody, what's going on? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I got my new giveaway announcement. Finally got a hold of a winner. Cookie, what are you doing? Finally got a hold of a winner after multiple attempts from people, and they're just not responding back because Gleam doesn't allow me to verify people that easy. So I have to, that's the only reason I do these giveaways on Gleam, is so I can get your email address so I can verify you. But finally got a winner for that, and for this next giveaway, I'm going to be giving away Borderlands 3. And you guys get to play with me and my wife if you get it on PC. And that's for everybody. And then also, now that I'm doing the patron-only giveaway, patrons can also enter to win Call of Duty Black Ops 4. That one's just a specific patron-only thing. So if you want to become a patron, it's actually get a ton of benefits, and they're going to be listed in the description below, if you didn't hear that, because I pointed away from the mic. If you are allowed to play and or buy Borderlands 3 or Black Ops 4 in your country, I will send you a code. If your country doesn't allow that, I don't think I can do that. It's probably breaking some laws somewhere, and I can't do that. And I think I could do it on, I can give you guys the game on Xbox and PlayStation 4 as well. I think I can buy you guys a code on that one. So yeah, Borderlands 3. We're going to be gaming a lot on that, because it's going to be a fun game. And after that, we're going to be playing, what was it? Ghost Recon Breakpoint? That new one? That's what it's called? Something like that. Basically, the one with the Punisher in it. We're going to be playing that next, too. And then, if you see our dog right here, Cookie, say hi to everybody.
Okay.
Augie, say hi to everybody. Hi. But yeah, so that's a giveaway announcement. So if you guys want to enter, you have to comment on this video, and you have to like it. And you have to be subscribed, because I need to verify that you commented, and I need an email address for you so I can email you if you won, so I can email you a code. All right, but that's gonna wrap it up. So I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Cookie, say bye to everybody. Augie, say bye to everybody. Augie, high five. Good boy.